Hey all, welcome back to the new video. So I think in the last video we have completed regarding data types. Okay, like a few points we have completed, and in today's video we'll discuss about same data types only. See, floating data types. So floating data types basically classified into two types like float and double. Okay, see, the float data type has a size of 4 byte and a range this one. Okay, the range is this one minus 3.4 e minus 838 to 3.4 e 38. Okay, for double the size is 8 bytes. Okay, as you all know, 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Okay, float is 32-bit floating point data type, whereas double is 64-bit data type. Okay, floating point data type. Float uses six digits of precision value. Okay, that means what? Like whenever one decimal point is there, after that decimal point, some precision values are there. No, so float actually uses only digit precision value, where double uses 14 digit of precision value. That means it can consider like after decimal point, no, it can consider up to 6 digit like floating number, but the double value that will consider 14 digit of precision value. That means after decimal point 14 digit, like up to 14 digit it can consider. Character data type, here the data type size is 1 byte for signed char, and for unsigned char it's also 1 byte. Okay, in C language, okay, char is 1 byte, but in Java char is 2 byte. Why? Because C uses ASCII principle. Okay, American Standard, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, so here only 1 byte is required. Okay, like 0 to 255. The range is 0 to 255 character. It can, so. But Java uses Unicode principle. That means, universal, for universal language, how many letters would be there, it will represent everything. Java, so that's why it take 2 bytes. But ASCII uses C uses ASCII principle, American Standard Coded for Information Interchange. So only 0 to 255 character it can but Java consider universal characters. All the characters are available in this universe, Java is considered. So for that, 1 byte is not enough. That's why it took 2 bytes. Okay. Okay. To compile and run the C program, okay, you have to download this minjw from this link. Okay. And let me go back. Then you have to install the minjw32 gcc g++ package selected, then add the bin directory to your system path. Okay, then add all the path I have mentioned here, and also add on system properties, just like open environment variables, and there you have to add a variable and path. Okay, I have already written all the points how to do that and all. You can check it here. Then write your C program in Notepad. Okay, so you can write your C program at any kind of text editor or Notepad also. So see, here is the first code. Okay, I have already downloaded the minjw and all in my computer, so please check it out and download and set up everything so that you can write the C code and compile and run the C program. Okay, so see, this is the whole code I'm considering here. Has include stdio.h. This is like a has is a preprocessor. Okay, has is called a preprocessor, which will include standard input output library, and .h is for header file. Okay, so this preprocessor would include the standard IO library .h header file. So from int main, or from the main function only, the program will be read. Okay, So here printf I have mentioned. Printf is for to print something. Okay, suppose we want to write something, or we want to show as a output, any kind of text. See here I have mentioned hello world, a text I want to show in my output page. Okay, so simply I have to write the text that I want to show in my output screen. Then inside the printf function, this is called a function. Okay, how do you know that this is a function or this is a variable? See, like some name would be there. Okay, so beside that name, one opening closing parenthesis would be there. Wherever it would be present, that is called as a function. So main is a function. Printf is also a function. Okay, so inside this parenthesis, we can pass any kind of variable. Okay, that's called argument. We'll discuss later. So inside the printf function, we are passing like hello world we are writing, and return 0, because here the type of the main function is int type, so that's why it returns 0. You can write void also here, void or any kind of int or any data type you can write here. Then you have to save the file. Okay, as file name .c. .c is for extension. Okay, for C program. Then compile it. Okay, after compiling it would give a .exe file. Okay, .exe file it would give, and then just run it. So here is the command for compiling. Okay, gcc filename .c minus o filename .exe. Okay, this would be the command for compiling, and to run the program simply filename, then put enter. Okay, like enter, type enter from your keyboard. Okay, then you will see the output. Okay, let me run the code. First try to make a folder. Okay, here I have already made one folder. You know how to make folder? Just right click. Okay, and this is like new, click on new. Then see here at the top most it is showing as a folder. Click on it. Okay, it is asking for a name, isn't it? Because definitely folder name should be there, so you can edit it here. Just put a click and you can write your folder name. Okay, after creating your folder name, okay, see, after creating your folder name, you have to go to that location. Okay, then during the save also, okay, I'm just writing all the code and all. And so put a control N so that it will open a new file for you. Okay, so here I'm writing has include first C program. Okay, has include stdio.h, int main is there, main function, opening closing parenthesis, then in the opening curly braces write printf hello world, hello world, semicolon. Okay, so see, after completion of any statement you have to put a semicolon in the C program. Okay, it's a syntax. That's all about the code. Just click on Control S for save. Okay, so here you will choose the folder. Let's say program C. You know how to create folder? Okay, so after creating folder, okay, so whenever you will go for save, like to save the code and all, go to exactly that location. Okay, select that location, then just keep your file name as hello.c. okay, then just click on save. Okay, it's saved. Then again go to the same folder. Okay, here in program C I have saved that file now, hello.c. Okay, so at this point just click a just like type click or enter click, so it would select in this way. Just type here cmd and enter, so it would CMD means what? Command prompt. Okay, see here the location would be automatically be chosen in the command prompt. Okay, so here you have to write the command gcc filename dot c minus o, then filename dot exe for compiling purpose, and put a enter. If any error would be there, then definitely it would be so there, but see there is no error. Okay, and finally it's already compiled. Okay, so after compiling only you will get a file called filename.exe, that is a bytecode would be, which would because computer cannot read the program, whatever we are writing in English language and all. So like in C program, let's say how we are writing, it's just similar to C language, isn't it? But computer is not, uh, computer can't understand the program you are writing in C language, Java, Python, it can't understand. So after compiling, one file is generated, that is .exe file, and that is full of binary code. Okay, so that can be directly understandable by computer. But simple C language, Java language, whatever we are writing some code by using some programming language, like these are called high level language, computer cannot understand. Okay, so for that it has to create a binary or machine level code or file it would generate, and that file would be studied by computer, and it will finally give you the output. See here, the output is hello world. Okay, so for compiling purpose, this command gcc filename.c minus o filename.exe, and for to run the file, simply you have to type filename. Okay, and you will get the output. That's all about the first program in C language. Okay, so thank you very much. If you really likes my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.